This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark theme on Twitter. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Twitter. To enable dark theme on Twitter, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go to the pane on the left hand side here and you want to click on More. Then you want to click on Settings and Privacy. Now on the middle pane here, you want to click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. And then on the right side pane, you want to click on Display. And then right down here at the bottom, you could see by default it's set to the light theme by default. You could set it to the middle one, which is a dimmer theme. I'm going to toggle that one on. It has kind of a bluish tint to it. Or the true dark theme is the one off to the far right here. It's called Lights Out. I'm going to click on it. And that is the true dark theme. That is how to enable dark theme in Twitter. Thanks for watching.